change the air filter on a smart car. So to start off with, open the boot and then lift up the floor panel. Then undo the engine bay cover. So just lift that up and then just turn it about a quarter of a turn. And then it lifts up. So this will move out the way. And as I lift that up, and I put this over the top to stop that from falling over. And then we're going to come over to here. And then there's these little latches. And there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's one here, 2, 3, and one slightly hidden there, 4. So just pull them apart, push them like that, and same with this one, like that. Then this cover will come off. Just slides over that way, and then here you've got the air filter. So this piece here, we slide this back, and then it will release the air filter. Then just pull the air filter up slightly, and then that comes out. It was seated on here and on here, and then this pulls forward to lock it in place. So then get your new filter. Make sure it's the same. And then we're going to put it in place. So to do that, start off by bringing it in and then sliding it backwards. Like that. And then we're going to slide this one forwards to lock it in place. And then once that's in place, get the cover and we'll slide that back on. Just line it up. Make sure the clips aren't in the way. And once it's lined up, then just push these clips back in. And the last one over here. Like that. And then we're going to put the engine cover back on. Then just turn the clip about a quarter of a turn again. And then that's in. And then we'll lower that back down. And that's it, you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.